Hello everyone. Are you running out the door to get a new leaf blower? Is your blower leaking gas out of the tank?
Well, stop right there.
I will give you a quick and inexpensive solution. Replacing your blower is $150 or more, but replacing the gas tank is a $15 or 15 minutes job. Amazon has several options depending on your blower brand. For this video, we will use a 2-cycle Ryobi gas blower, but the same process can be used for any other brand. The first step is to disconnect the gas hoses from the connection under the carburetor. I will use a long nose plier and just pull the hoses out. The tank is attached to the blower with 3 T17 Torx head screws. With the proper bit, unscrew the 3 bolts to release the tank. Next, put the new tank in position and attach it to the blower with the Torx screws. Then, proceed to connect the new hoses to the gas connections. And that's it. Fill the tank with gas and start your blower. You may feel it a bit more powerful now because there is no leaking anywhere. I hope you can find this video useful and you have learned a new thing today. Remember to subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check our other great videos that will make your life a little easier.